This is Chris and Codes. I'm coding every day until I become a web developer. Where's my phone? There's my phone. Hello, it's Ruma24. How are you? Hope you're doing great. I'm fine, thank you. How about you? I'm doing great. About to get started here. Doing real good. I think what's cool is today is the 49th video. Tomorrow is the 50th video. So tomorrow, oh yeah, tomorrow's the 50th stream. I think I said that. All right. Let's see where we are. All right. So we were setting up this part. I usually watch the live in the morning, but since I've been working on a uni project, a filler I can stay up late night and watch the live stream. Okay, cool. Hey, how's Italy? How's it treating you? I'm glad you're here. Glad you can watch. And you said you're working on a Flutter app. That's cool. So I guess we'll be coding today. Is the sound okay for you? Can you hear the nature sounds and stuff? I don't know if y'all want to hear that, but all right. So let's see. Let's open Figma. Not bad, but I've been staying home seven to work on the project. I'm getting tired. Oh man, I bet. Hang in there. You can do it. Yes, I like the sound of birds. Nice. I'm glad you like it. I'll do some Pomodoro. All right, that's the sound. So I'm gonna do Pomodoro stuff. So I'm gonna start my Pomodoro thing now. All right. So it looks like what we need to do. This is neutral 800, so we need div class bar. To be a background color of neutral. Is it 900? No, it's 800. All right. All right. Let's make the height 33.33% or whatever. Can I do text align? Hold up, vertical align middle. Can I do it? That doesn't change anything, man. Let's see. How do I? Crap. Just opening every window. Let's see. How to center grid. I forgot if that's on the parent or the child. Place. Oh, that's what we can do. Place item center. I think I'm still streaming. Am I still streaming? By the way, you really inspired me to study front end again. I still struggle with JS and CSS sometimes, so I'm starting front end mentor too. Man, I'm happy to hear that. I struggle with CSS all the time. Like, seriously. Is the stream still going? Okay, yeah, the stream is still going. Okay, cool. I'll be dropping in and out sometime. All right. So now I want to. I didn't know I could do this with display grid. With the more you know, justify. Is it justify items? Justify items. Center. Why is it doing that? Align items center. Okay, there we go. All right, we're cooking. Now we need to see on this Figma file. This looked a little bit bigger. And the corner radius is, how long is the corner radius? No way. Not the corner radius being, hold up. Number one, I need to make that like 50%. It's a chunky one. And then I need to make the border radius like 50%. Oh Lord. 8 pixels. Okay, that's better. Make this 70%. Yeah, that's way better. Alright. This is text preset. Text preset. What is this? Text preset 4. Text preset. 1, 2. Whoa. What are we doing? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Text preset 4. All right. We got that. And this is, I'm gonna code along to this guy from now on for motivation. Glad to hear that, man. Oh, this is also text preset 4. I should have just added text preset 4 to the results. So that's what I'll do. Oh, what did I do? Oops. Okay. So we have our, no, not our results. Not our results card. All right, that worked. And now we need to display the bar. No, there's something in the bar. The bar percent. Oh man, I messed this part up too. Bar percent 1. 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we want to say the bar is position relative, and this is position absolute. Let's just give it a width, a default width of 50%. And then let's see, a background color of yellow. Brother, what are you doing? border, 1 pixel solid red. Ah, the height. The height needs to. I keep forgetting the height when I'm doing stuff. Gotta remember that, man. Let's go with overflow hidden. So that's that. Remove this. So if y'all don't know what I'm doing, that's what I'm doing right now. I'm creating these like loading bar things inside of this character counter thing. So depending on the letter, which yesterday I was talking all bold and stuff, and I was talking all bold and stuff. If you want to know more about me, go to my GitHub. It's in the description. So we got EITON. So I'm gonna just do EITON. I was talking big cash money, and I was gonna let me see. So that's EITON. Bruh, I do have LinkedIn. I said go to my GitHub. You go to my GitHub if you want to know more. Hold on, where am I? Where am I? Oh yeah. We're gonna make this E. We're gonna make this I. We're gonna make this T. Actually, you know what? I want to do the vowels. A, E, I, O, and U. And yeah, so we got A, E, I, O, U. So we're gonna do the vowels and stuff. Is that centered? Is that right? Oh, wrong one. That didn't do anything. I wonder, can I do something like... That would be, if this works, I'll be like, no, it doesn't work. Of course it doesn't work. Justify content. Yeah, no, I need to leave that alone. We're just gonna erase this and then just comment this out. All right. This color is purple 400. All right. Righty. So now, if we go back, you'll see, hold on, was it, I think in the Figma file, it was rounded. Yeah, it is rounded. And we rounded the bar to 8 pixels. What's up, JMac? Border radius 8 pixels. Border radius 8 pixels. All right, so we got. Is that right? Is that a little bit shorter? All right, we're just okay. Oh, I think this one is a little bit shorter. Hold on now. Hold on now. Hold on now. Brother, can you recommend me some websites that's books to learn how to code? If you join the Discord and the pinned comment, you'll see people posting some resources. You can use Free Code Camp, you can use Udemy, you can use some free stuff on YouTube. But there's Free Code Camp, there's Front End Mentor, there's the Odin Project. Whoa. Oh, I'm gonna have to change that right here. This is gonna have to be like 30 pixels. All right, there we go. False alarm. Or could we say... Could we have said... Can I do that? Oh, crap. Oh, no. I can't. 20 pixels. If it's on the bottom left, you might not see certain things, but I'm gonna do it. And then I'm going to move this up here so then y'all can see everything I'm working on. So there you go. All right, text align center. So we got that aligned. The gap here is different, but we're gonna cross that bridge when we get there. And so far, so freaking good. So let's look at our Figma file. I wonder, do you have to press enter for it to do it, or does it just... Let me go and edit that. Exclude spaces. Character limit. And then that one just says exclude, but it doesn't say exclude spaces. And I think that one's supposed to be set. And then, yeah, okay. And then, hold on, what did that look like in the Figma file? Yeah, that's in the right spot. It's just these things right here, man. I wish there was a way to just edit checkboxes directly. Sometimes I use GitHub Pages mostly. I really didn't want to have to do all this. Input type checkbox. Okay, time for a break. Ugh. Mm-hmm. That was the one at the top. Oh. Actually, we're gonna take even longer break so that I can eat my food. I am now one of those. I thought I could be all healthy and eat this salad without dressing. That's definitely not happening. I look like a lot of one look nice. Okay. I really thought that I was gonna do this without. I have now made my salad a little less healthier, but a lot more tastier. What are your goals for 2026? If you go to my GitHub and you go to the learning roadmap, you'll see it. No offense, but I get asked those questions so much that I just wrote it down. It's in the learning roadmap. But if I have to say it again, man. I mean, if I could become a front end developer, that would be nice. I wouldn't mind it. Get paid to do something that I like to do. But I don't know a front end framework yet. I'm trying to get good at JavaScript. So that's where I'm at. What are your goals, J-Mac? You got some goalie goals? Oh, you know what? I don't know why I'm acting like this when I know I like talking about my goals and stuff. Being a butthead. Being a booty head. Uh, my more spiritual goals are like I want to be more consistent. That's a big thing. Because all this is completely dependent on me staying consistent. Secure an internship for summer. Did you have to start applying for those internships for the summer now? How that work? Are you a computer science student? There are like 100 applications in. Good shit. Good stuff. Nah, you got the experience from applying though. So, what have you learned from putting in like 100 applications? Leak code matters. Leak code matters. What type of software engineering are you trying to do? Trying to do full stack, Android development, game development. What you trying to do? Oh, that's cool. What language is that mostly? Like C, C++? I've never used Golang. I've never used C. C Sharp is my favorite language. This salad is amazing. Scrumptious. I like Fernand. It's immediate feedback. I like that. I didn't like Java when I did it. I really didn't. What year of school are you in? Nice. That's nice. Good shit happening. 2026 is your year. Start posting your journey on YouTube. Hell yeah. The goal. See what's gonna happen is people are gonna make a lot of New Year's resolutions. From what I looked up, 1 or less than 1% of people make it past 30 days. Making this in February. Or maybe it's 10%. Something like that. Either way. I think if we can do something every day, make it to the last day of February, we got excellent chances to keep that habit. Every day. Every day. Everyday code. Everyday post. Everyday post. Everyday code. Everyday post. Cold post. Cold post. Be right back. Let me get some drink. Oh. Oh. We back at it. We hydrated. We ate. All right. All right. So now, where were we? I was trying to style some of these check boxes. I'm not even gonna try to do all that. I think we can get started on the JavaScript now. What? All right. All right, let's do it. So we start on the JavaScript. Let's see. All right. So let's see. First thing we need to do is something that's gonna count this. So maybe I should create. I'm gonna just create a simple function, and we're gonna say function word count. No, we're gonna call it analyze text. I mean, I could create an object, but I don't think there's any point in doing that. Is there a point in doing that? I mean, I don't know. I could say const analyze text equal an object, and then I could say we have total characters, we have word, we got word account, and we got sentence count, and we're gonna do on ours, we're doing A, I, O, and U. So why don't we, I'm gonna use some destructuring. So why don't I create a density, and we're gonna say it takes, let's see, how are we even gonna calculate litter density? We're gonna have to grab all of this. So we're gonna have to grab all of this and then go through it. And I guess since it's one long string, we can say we can receive. We're gonna say user text, and then with user text, actually, let me see something. Can we say const user input equals equals document dot get element by ID, and then we say user input. And can we say user input dot text content equals hola senor? Yes, okay. So that is a text content. So we do grab the content, and a string is basically an array. I'm trying to think. Can I destructure a string? Destructure string in JavaScript. Or can I just use the rest pattern? Could I just say, let's do some, can I do some lorem? Can I do some lorem 30? Oops. Lorem 10? Oh god. Can I just do lorem? Alright. Why don't we put that in the text area? Say that. And we go here. Document. Oh. Oops. Alright. So that's our lorem text. I don't know why does it start way back here. We'll fix that. So that's our lorem text. And I think this is a way to destructure. Yeah, we can use the rest operator. So I think what we can do is we can say user we can CLG console log user input dot text content. Let's see what happens. Oh, nice. What can we do with each one of these? Is that returning each individual? What the hell? Oh, that's a object destructuring. Okay, let me think. Actually, I wonder, can I pack a string into an array? Can I say I wonder, let me think about this. No, that's not how you use the rest operator. That's to pack them up. So if I did const packed like that, equal user input dot text content. Can I do this? And then CLG. I struggle with destructuring. That's okay. So now we got an array. I'm wondering. I had just said yeah, that's the same thing. Hold up. Filter. So I could just say array. And instead of doing that, I could just do, which should give me an array as well, right? No, it doesn't give me an array. But if I put it in an array, Friday, it gives me an array. So then I pass that array, and then I say array. So if I say array, yeah, okay. I think I'm doing it right. So what we want is we want A, E, I, O, U, all vowels. Counts. And so if we say, I want to use a new, what is reduce? Sort. Other what? Oh, okay, okay. What about values? Oh, what about with? Oh, oh, oh! I forgot to. Whatever. Um, where am I? Okay, okay, okay. I want to look at some new array properties. That's what I was looking at. Array methods. This some. Oh, okay. I wonder is there an easier way to do this? Because what I want to do is I want to check for each if the letter is A, E, I, O, or U. And I want to use a map, or should I use another object? Let's just go ahead and use another object. Const yeah, vowels equal. Then we have A, I, A, E, I, O, and U. All right. So we got those vowels. And if we let's see what's going on. How many people are here? All right. So now I'm gonna just do this the way I know how instead of trying to be fancy and stuff. Hmm. I wonder, can I do something like I just want an elegant way of doing this, and I'm trying to figure it out. So if I use the filter method, no, we don't need to do let's map. Okay, okay, I think I understand. Except the fact that AI will replace us. All right. So I think I can do if I put in the array. I don't really have to. Yeah, I think I would like to do it like that. So if I put in the array, and then I say array dot map, and for each one of these, I want to do what? There has to be an elegant way of doing this. So, okay, so why don't I just say out loud what I want to do? So, I want to I want to check if each element or value in the array is equal to one of the vowels. What's up? Uh, what's up, Taylor? So array dot sum. And then they use includes. Then why would you use sum? Hold on. It's a character counter. What? Oh, I think I understand. I'm gonna just do this a simple way. Cause so I know I will put a condition, so I could say something like, I don't know, if the element is Does it check the entire array or does it go through each element? Does it go through each element? Whatever. I'm just gonna say if the element is equal to A or E or I or O or U, hold on, yeah. No, it's okay. I was just trying to find a more elegant way to do something. It's not that I don't already know how to do it. It's just I just wanted to use different functions than the ones that I already know. So it's all right. Um, balls. Hold on. Can I ask? Now I'm forgetting stuff. Access properties in objects JS. Oh, show me how to access. Oh, I already know how to make. Show me how to access. I use a. Okay, yeah, bracket notation. Okay, there we go. All right, so we got BIOS element plus plus. All right. Can I do that? Yeah, I can. I think so. Yeah, it can be equals equals. I don't know what the difference is. I don't know what the difference between those two are. They look the same to me. You put one in parentheses and you put the other one not in parentheses. Either way, the whole point that I'm trying to do is to see if the element equals one of these. What do you mean? I don't know what you mean. So if the element equals A, E, I, O, or U, then we will take. So we can't check to see if the element is equal to one of these. Do I have to use a switch? So you're saying that this wouldn't work? So I couldn't say. Yeah. Hold on, what? It's not just checking if the element is one of these. So if I say, hold on. So this works, right? Oh, that's true. I didn't think of that. All right, yeah. That's a better way to put that. I shouldn't be so frustrated. It's my first time using includes. It's just the way I was thinking of it was weird. All right. Yeah, Biles is an array right here. It's right here. Okay. Um. Okay, I needed a break. I was getting frustrated. Wait. Wait, what? Nope. Because we have a Biles. My bad. My bad. Does that make sense now? Yeah, I know. There's two different. Oh, There we go. Hold on. Am I taking a break? Is the break counter starting? Yeah. All right. Hmm. Alrighty. Yeah, I need to. All right, let's get it started. All right, so we got that. So in this count, we're gonna take the array. We're gonna say array dot for each. No, we're gonna say array dot array dot for each. Hold on, can I use some right here? Is this where I use some? Includes for each. Some. I think I can use some. Oh. Oh no, I can't do that. You did not see what I just typed. Don't worry, you didn't see that. Why does it add a space in front of it? I do not understand. I need to do one of these. Is that gonna make it better? That did. I might end it pretty soon. I'm tired today. I don't know why I'm so tired today. But I'm glad I did this early because I think I would have struggled later on. I didn't get my stats today. I don't know, man. Sometimes I be feeling like I'm going too slow, but as long as I make some progress. What am I doing? Oh, and then I still gotta go run. I'm gonna take a nap before I run. I'm gonna have to take a nap before I run. So this is what the character counter looks like so far. All we gotta do, this is gonna be easy. Once I connect all this stuff, we're done. So I could probably finish this tomorrow. The only pain points are gonna be, I don't know, coming up with something that decides approximate reading time, excluding spaces. Oh, they excluding spaces. Set character limit. We just got to do this, this. This is gonna be easy. Hook all this up, and then tomorrow the character counter should be finished. And we'll be at. And then the rest of the week is either I'm gonna finish it tomorrow because I don't know, tomorrow's New Year's, so I don't know if I'll be doing anything. So either way, this will be finished by this will be finished probably tomorrow or the first, and then the rest of the week will be just theory and practicing on ChatGPT to finish out the week. Somebody said that my roadmap was a little bit too crazy there, but I think it's turning out pretty good. I do say so myself. So yeah. All right. Alrighty. Let's see what this is. This is next week's. That must come with a JSON file. Oh no, it doesn't. This is a way more complicated thing to do. My goodness. And one of these days, probably Saturday, I want to clean up my GitHub some because oh, I used to be called Polyhype because I thought I was doing 3D modeling. And oh, another thing that I've been interested in, y'all. Um, uh, there's a free code camp 3JS. I've been very interested in 3JS because if y'all look at my I'm gonna just pause this. If y'all just look at my YouTube, I was already doing some some 3D modeling and stuff, right? And so I saw that 3JS did this thing with free code camp. So I don't know which one to do. But I think it's cool.
Learn how to use 3JS and Blender to design a stunning and
is over there. User clicks on 0. This right corner would be comma 1, comma 0 solution and low res. So I would probably render with the glass still enabled. Just don't put that on your unwrapped texture. And then this water is just a transparent color. So I'm actually also going to move that to targets. Alright, so now you can just organize things if you want to categorize your textures, like one is a room, third. And then we can just set child.material equal to that material.
I need something very beginnerish.
3JS can help you create amazing
inside running locally. First thing we're going to do, we're going to click into Earth underneath.
So hopefully it'll give you the right mindset, so you'll eventually won't need as many tutorials and you can kind of figure things out on your own. So you don't need any experience with 3JS or Blender whatsoever, but you do need some experience with HTML and CSS and JavaScript if you can make like static websites If you can make static websites, like if you just go to a typical static.
Huh.
Hi there.
Oh, this is
Hope
cool.
you are all doing great. The music that you are listening is coming. Before we dive into creating this
I don't
portfolio,
think
I got
a
something truly
recruiter
special
or
to
somebody that's
share with
hiring would want to
all of
see
you.
this.
It's called
I think they probably
Scribes.
just want
It
to
is
get
a
straight to
powerful
it.
tool that offers solutions designed to keep you safe and anonymous online.
This video from this guy. Do y'all watch this
Welcome
guy?
back to 33-year-old boomer ranting in the early morning. You can learn anything. Let's talk about it. I know that a good chunk of my audience is relatively young people. It's people in their late teens.
What's up? I'm just chilling here. I'm thinking about leaving. I'm tired today. Today I'm tired. I got up. I was like, you know what? I'm gonna stream. I'm gonna try to stream for like 5 hours. The day I stream for 5 hours, y'all know that I'm doing good. But I guess this is all I'm doing today. Uh, I did some. I did some. Let's just go live. So we're here, and then I think we can finish this up tomorrow. But yeah, I'm low energy today. Oh, I'm low energy, man. I'm low energy. I need to get a proper sleeping schedule. Oh, Taylor, it was your first day at work. How was it? I forgot about that. How was your first day at work, Taylor? Second day, but it was good. I'm glad it was good. What are your thoughts and opinions? You know, I know you can't say too much, but how are you? What do you? I mean, maybe it'll take more than just 2 days for you to, like, you know, get a good grasp on the workplace culture and how you proceed and everything. But based on what you're seeing, how do you feel? Okay, I hear that's kind of common. Is it like on a scale of 1 to 5? How messy is it? Oh, that's cool. That's cool. Ooh. Oh. Well, at least there's some hope. Um, I guess before I go, do y'all have any suggestions for how I'm learning or the channel? I'm open to critique. I know sometimes I time out a lot of people in the chat, and sometimes I feel bad about that, and then I don't. So I like quality over the quantity. So do you guys have any suggestions on how I'm learning? I didn't know you can mix JavaScript and TypeScript up like that. I just learned something. So y'all have any suggestions on like how I'm learning, or Taylor, do you think this is okay, or do you think I should start looking at some of your content on GitHub? Do you think it would help better than what I'm using now? What do y'all think? Is there anything I can do? All TypeScript is. What's up, J Mac? is JavaScript with types, but at the end of the day, it becomes JavaScript. JavaScript with types, so it's C#. How much time do you spend learning those these days? I don't know. I try to do, man, listen, I try to do 2 hours. Like, sometimes I'll randomly watch videos and study throughout the day. And then once I get on stream, I try to implement some of that. I do a project. So right now, we're doing a project. We're doing this character counter project, which is gonna do all of this stuff. And I think we can finish it tomorrow. So I try to spend 2 hours a day or 3. But lately I've been feeling like I'm not doing enough. So so if y'all have any suggestions for me and my learning, and yeah, that's what I said basically. Oh, what is that? No, that's incorrect. This is, yeah. So y'all feel like the learning is going okay? Y'all have any suggestions, or are we good? Any suggestions for the Discord? Any suggestions? Any suggestions? I'm all ears. What about the Odin project? Do you ever try it? I did try the Odin project. It's not for me. Discord is cool. That's cool. What up, Chris? How's the grind going? The grind is going good, Matthew. I was actually about to get off because I'm low energy today. I did some of the character counter project. The code snippets chat is nice. Yeah. Let me go look at, because I think you just said you wrote a snippet. Oh yeah. You just wrote a snippet. Some verses includes. Okay, I'm gonna let y'all know, especially Taylor. Taylor knows I read all of this. At least once a day, I review all of this stuff just to make sure I'm remembering. But based on the roadmap, it looks like we're on schedule. It must be in the air. I couldn't even look at my code today. Man, today is Tuesday. I don't know, man. It might just be that it's like, I don't know, man. I got up, I did chores, like I got some dishes I gotta wash. I still gotta go for a run. But like, I just need a nap. Like, I need a nap. I took down Christmas decorations. I did the very bare minimum today, and I still feel like, I don't know. I don't even know. I don't know, man. Let's see. Const my array. Y'all think this is a YouTube related thing. Y'all think I should start posting like YouTube shorts talking about like the beginner's process and what I be thinking and stuff, or what I think about learning? Good news, I was able to get a sync to work with my SQL and UI last night. Congrats on that. Congrats on that. So what this? I don't know anything about SQL, but does SQL is a database. Does it produce a JSON file and then you use a sync to access that? Take a nap, mate. This is my best advice for you. Some verses in. Yeah, Taylor is a professional. Taylor is a professional. He said, okay, so let's see what he says about the sum versus includes. Okay, so we got the const my array. Let me move myself for a second so y'all can see what I'm looking at. We got the const my array equals banana, apple, coconut. So the const has banana equal my array dot includes banana. Okay, So includes will check if banana is in the array. I wonder, does it iterate over the whole array, or does it just like check each one? You know what I mean? Does that make any sense? Yeah, I guess it doesn't matter. I think it's just checking the array and seeing if that's there. So let's just make it simple. True, or using sum. Banana has banana equal my array dot sum value, and if value is equal to banana, then we get true. So sum must iterate over each value then. Or is it just checking the no, it's checking, it must be checking each one. It must be checking each one. Because then I could do value and then say console.log value, right? So since sum takes a callback to check conditions against every item, you can do more complex statements. If value, so we get value and value.link. Okay, that's cool. I like how you don't correct it once you see it, Taylor, but you spell small wrong. But I like that. I like SAMLL. It's a cool name, Samuel. Okay. So since some takes a callback, so is this part the callback? I don't know too much about callbacks. Is this part the callback? Only thing I know about callbacks is like some returns true once it finds a single element that satisfies the condition. None. No, hold on. What? Both iterate, but includes iterates in native C land, so it's going to be faster than some, since it has to come back to JavaScript land. What the hell? I didn't know JavaScript does. Okay, I didn't know that. So essentially, I could go in here. So let's see. Since we still have this open, so I could say callbacks are functions you pass in. Oh, okay. I know that already. Then I did not know. I thought callbacks were something completely different. So, well, I've been doing callbacks then. So I could say, we could say const viewers equal, we could say const viewers equal Taylor JMac, and we got Matt, and we're gonna put, I'm not gonna call you Ab. I'm gonna call you Abdo. I was about to call you Abra after the Pokemon. So we got const viewers, and then what we could do is like, I don't know, viewers. Hold on. Viewers dot sum, and then we do a function, and let's say we take that element, and then we say CLG E. Okay, let's see if that works. What the helly? A is not defined. A is not defined. Where is that at? A-E-O. Da-na-na, na-na-na-na, na-na-na-na, na-na-na-na. Alright. Taylor J. Mac Matt Abdo. Okay, that's cool. Okay, that's cool. That's cool. That's cool. Okay. Alright. Oh, okay. That's cool. That's interesting. I wonder, could I say something like return E? Return E? No, that's not how that works. What about returning if E equals JMac? Would it console.log the names after? Okay. If E it goes through each element in the array, and it applies a function to it. That's what it does. So, um, I'm pointing to the screen like y'all can see me point to the screen. So viewers is an array, and then we have sum, and then sum applies. I have E, which represents the current element, and then I'm passing a function on E. So if E equals JMac, we're gonna say, I don't know, we're not gonna return. We're just gonna console.log. JMac is the man. But it must return a truthy or falsy value. If it returns a truthy value, it'll stop the loop and return true. Hold on, what? Hold up. I don't remember that part where sum returns true or false. By the way, JMac is the man. It said it right there. Okay, let's look up mdn.sum. No, it doesn't iterate until it finds something. It just iterates over each value. That's what sum does. Sum will just iterate over every single value. Hold on, no. Am I wrong? The sum method of array instances returns true if it... Yeah, I think I'm wrong. The sum method of array instances returns true if it finds one element in the array that satisfies the provided testing function. Oh. What? Until it finds a truthy value? Hold on. Not truthy based on some condition, but just truthy in general, right? Like, so Taylor, JMac, Matt, and Abdo would be truthy values, right? I mean, they wouldn't be falsy. 0 and empty strings are falsy, and depending on context, empty arrays can be falsy, but are typically truthy. Yeah, so these would be truthy, and then... Oh, okay. Okay, I get this. But I was doing okay, I see. I was just doing different stuff. I was doing extracurricular shit when I did this. But I could have done like, oh, this callback returns true. Oh, so hold on. Whoa. Are you saying, man, why is it? Stop it. Stop. Do what I want you to do, please. Are you saying... It says false. I think for each is different because the element in for each, it's not just um for each is different. I forgot we went through this before, but oh 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 oh. But it okay okay okay. I guess I'm gonna have to really think because some verses for each. That's interesting. And so if it does okay. I think I get it. Okay, I think I understand. Some is a little bit so if we do um const x equals viewers dot includes um boss man, and then we said clgx. Okay, so and that's false. So includes is good for determining if it's actually there. But some is good to say something more complex. Like if we want to do const y equals viewers dot sum, and then we want to say, well, is e dot length greater than 2, and then we clgy. Okay. Okay, I think I understand why you would use some. Hmm. I wonder, can I do something like const find me equals Sally and John, and could I then say dot includes find me? Let's see if I can do the spread operator. Okay, so really, so if I did JMac, oh okay, yeah, okay, yeah, can only look for one value. Okay, womp womp womp. Da-na-na-na-na-na-na, da-na-na-na, da-na-na-na-na, na-na-na-na-na, na-na. If you hover over includes, it'll tell you what the arguments are. String from index number undefined. Okay. So we can the position in this array in which to begin searching for the element to search for. If we do sum, determines whether the specified callback function returns true for any element of an array. Okay. Sum is more detailed. So sum not only returns true but it also does a thing if it wants to. Okay, I think I understand some a little bit. Okay. Well, guys, it was so fun having you here as usual. It was fun. We laughed. We cried. Okay, J-Mac, that is one of my favorite user profile pictures. Love the default. Loving it, loving it. If you are watching me, please subscribe and join the Discord. Also, what do y'all think about me posting shorts about like what I feel like I'm going through as a beginner? Do y'all think that would help people? Like, what should I post? Should I post shorts? I don't know. I don't know if it actually matters. What y'all think? Also, I learned about this community right here yesterday from this dude named Smiley Face. Today's coding session was good, Muhammad. It was good. It was good. It was good. I had a good time. It was great. Taylor had a great second day at work. This dude has my favorite, this is one of my favorite GIFs. I'm gonna show y'all that GIF. Is it Barbie Disgust? Oh my God. Oh, I love those GIFs so much. Oh, all right, y'all. Oh man. So yeah, y'all go ahead and join the Discord. Y'all think I should post shorts and stuff? Y'all care about that? No, nobody cares. Nobody's answering. Okay, all right, I'll leave them alone. Okay. Well, thanks. Let's see the participants. Thank you, Muhammad. Thank you, J-Mac. Thank you, Taylor. Thank you, Abdul. Thank you, New. As always, New. He's in here. Thank you, Milton. Oh, Milton, are you still here? Somebody asked me, Milton. Hold on. At Milton. Let me tell you what it is. Is the Facecam MK2 or MK1? I think it's the Facecam MK1. I can't tell. Hold on, does it say it on it? I don't want to move it. Facecam 24. No, how am I gonna show you the camera when the how am I gonna show you the camera? I mean, I could take a picture of it, but I was just like my mind just wanted to grab the camera for a second and turn it at itself. Bring a mirror, y'all funny. Facecam 24. Is this it? This looks like it. But I know there's a... Hold up. So Elgato. And then we got cameras. And then we got... Hold on. There's a Facecam 4K. It's definitely not that one. It's definitely not this one. It's this one. But I could have sworn they had an MK1 and an MK2. Okay, let me see the snippet. Okay. Yeah, you saw me. You know what? I felt it was coming. I knew you were gonna be like, okay, let me explain loose equality and strict equality to this crazy man. Um, when writing any code, you should default to using strict values. Noted. Will do that. Definitely. I feel like I've been lazy on that. I will. Let me heart that. Let me heart all of this. Taylor's daily posts to help out the needy and lowly new programming novices in the world, guiding them. Taylor is truly a sage in these um, programming streets, giving out knowledge, helping old women developers cross the street, right? He's opening doors for the elderly devs. I know he's doing everything. So before I go, do you guys think I should start posting shorts, YouTube shorts about we do need more tailors. Do y'all think I should start posting YouTube shorts about like my feelings about learning how to code or like telling people what I do? I don't know. Why not? I don't know. I don't know. Oh yes, tell us. Tell us. I feel like I should start going through. You know what? Maybe I should do that. I'm being hard headed. You told me I should, and you made this all this wonderful stuff right here, and then I was like, ah. I understand scope. I understand the scope chain, but the closure. You can return a function. Well, I mean, I need to stop looking at it as a function and look at it more as an expression. His Discord, um, his I don't know, his GitHub, and the function inside that function can return a function inside that function, which is inside that function, which did a backflip on the other function and talked about the other function's mother, and then returned a function after that. And actually, the last function was a sync, so it returned a promise. And because it returned a promise, we just said, then talk about your mother, then talk about your father, catch error, being nice. Oh, I watch this channel too, Speak Machine. He's pretty cool. He's a year younger than me. Yes, I need to follow the ways of the What the hell is NeoVim? I keep seeing that. NeoVim. Aren't you working on like some type of in-browser editor, like code something? NeoVim. What is NeoVim? Off automatically. This is very gentle on the eyes. Let me turn this lamp off. Ooh, that's spooky. This is giving. I'm not even gonna say that, but it's giving horror movie vibes. Let's see, NeoVim. This is currently above my. NeoVim is a terminal-based text editor. You use NeoVim to be able to say, I use Vim, by the way. Yeah, because this guy right here, he has a little. His whole thing is it's like a little frog that says, I like Vim. So Vim is just. So Vim is a terminal-based text editor. Why would I use... Oh, he even has a NeoVim. Okay. What the fuck? Oh, it defined the function. And then said inner. And then this right here kind of confused me for a second. Oh, that's just a scope chain. Oh, I like my mouse. You know what's beautiful about my mouse is that it's a very cheap mouse. I like cheap mice. I do not like. Actually, I have a Keychron. I have one of these. I don't even use this. And this is a nice keyboard. But instead I use this like cheapo Amazon. Oh. Oh no. No, I'm not outside, but I just closed my nature sounds. But instead I use this cheapo like Amazon Basics keyboard. I like it. No, I just play nature sounds. Anyway, I'm about to go, y'all. That's enough coding for me. I'm tired. Hold on, one exception, knowledge checking. I need to go. I need to do the knowledge checking. I must highly recommend that you get an aerodynamic mouse. It'll save your wrist in the long run. I thought you were joking at first when you said aerodynamic mouse. I like cheap mice. You're right. Yeah, and I do have wrist problems from when I was in the military, and I do need to take care of my wrists. Yeah. I saw one of those mice where you have like the. Hold on, let me look it up. I could have sworn. Hold on, let's go. Man, it feels so weird not having sound in my ear. Let's go to Amazon. Y'all can see my address. Not my address, but mouse. Not like yeah. Well, I don't like this. Hold on. Yeah, it's like this. Like, is this an aerodynamic mouse? Oh, ergonomic. I know. I was like, at first, I was like, I'm gonna just go with it, and I just assumed that he meant like something that fits your hand or something. So it seems like these mice are becoming very popular. The ones with like, like kind of. Let me see the side of it. Yeah, like these. They have this little thing on the side. Oh man, I used to have a mouse like this, but it was called something else. I don't like how small the buttons are. I would rather have fewer buttons, and bigger, and I would be okay with that. Honestly, either four big ones or maybe even like four going along here somewhere. Um, yeah, I don't know, but 12. Let me tell you something. As a millennial, I don't know who's using all them damn buttons. I'm not, and I'm not gonna remember all of that. Like even like I remember I used to be so big into PvP and some of these MMOs, and I was like, yeah, I'm gonna use all of these buttons. No, no. Uh, See, why can't we just have the basic USB wired mouse with scrolling and tracking? $6.60. But no, y'all wanna have a mouse that let's see, let's look up some expensive mouse. Let's look up a mouse that's really expensive. Okay, let's see. We're gonna say $98 or more. Oh, this one looks like it'll gain sentience after 100 hours of use. Oh, that's cool. Oh, look at that one. Yes, this is. I used to have a Razer Naga. Oh, look, they have a version 2 now. See all these damn buttons on the side? Who? No, this is not bad. Um, hmm. This looks like it would be good, but I have a feeling it's probably not. The Nitro Keychron. I didn't know Keychron made. Let's go more expensive. Let's see. Can we find a mouse that's more expensive than that? Let's find a even. What the hell is this? It's $170. Let's go even more expensive. This looks crazy. Logitech wireless optical TrackMan trackball. Who is? Okay, let's go even more. I eventually plan on translating those lessons into TypeScript too. Who is who is buying this for $1,499? Is it a typo? Transitioning. The M3K mouse is €340 and has even less button. Hold on, is that the one that we saw? The Ooh. Oh, I like that. We just got to make the hand brown. Okay, yeah. Introducing MX Master 3S. Remastered. Now with 8K DPI, any surface tracking, mag speed will scroll 1000 lines per second. Tactile control now with 90% less click noise. A sculpted ergonomic form. Oh my god. For all day comfort. Flow content across Mac OS. They're so into it. Feel the moment, MX. Oh, take my wallet and my drawers. That was exciting.
Hey everyone, Digital David here. Today in this video.
Oh, what Digital David? I thought he said Jadurtle David. My friend has the MX Master 3S. It felt heavy when I used it. Just tried in person before buying if you can. Okay, computer accessories. Let's just look at some computer accessories. Let's see. I think I bought this recently. Yeah, I think that's what our new, yeah. I heard RAM prices. I'm not even gonna mention that. I feel like, listen, everybody's talking about something, the RAM and stuff. I'm trying to stay positive. Prices just going up randomly. Well, not randomly, obviously for a reason, but ooh, I like a nice controller. Why don't I look up some racing controllers? Ooh, oh, I play racing games, yeah. Ooh. Anyway. Oh yeah. So yesterday a guy came in and he recommended these books by Kyle Simpson. You don't know JS yet. Get started. He recommended this book. Earn 2 times Kindle points. That's so exciting. Today's deals. Oh my god, I need all of this. Actually, this is pretty, yeah. Okay, so anyway, we're gonna be here forever. I'm just gonna start scrolling randomly. So tomorrow we finish the character counter. Or the day after tomorrow. Doesn't the MX Master have, you know what, let me just, I think I maybe, hold on. The MX Master, is that the one we just looked at? Hyper fast scrolling, aerodynamic, rechargeable. Oh, y'all talking about the 3? Oh wow, hold on. My bad. Linux Chrome Graphite, aka Ergo. You mean aerodynamic? Oh, that's the one. Oh, that's the one. Yeah, okay. I'm slow. Yeah, I was. The MX Master 3 comes with a console bundle. I feel like they charge an arm and a leg for these things, but they're really not. They shouldn't be this expensive. Okay. Now it's time for me to go. I did, man. I did because I could see I can see my my energy levels dwindling. Wait, you texted me on Discord and just said my name. What was you trying to say? You know what I'm trying to say. I randomly message you to see if you're gonna post yet. That's the problem. You said you were gonna post and you haven't posted yet. You're not being consistent, and I'm holding you accountable. You got to be responsible. You think I feel like streaming right now? I don't. My head hurts. I'm tired. I'm old. I want to eat a cookie. My back just cracked in 17 places. Anyway, I will talk to you guys tomorrow. All right, bye. Oh yeah, I know I told you I don't have space to post right now because I gotta hang with fam. No excuses. Bye.